Baby, when I tell you, she ate down. She ate down. So hey folks, welcome to my channel. This is probably going to be the fastest review I think I've ever done. But let's go ahead and get into who's that girl. Alright? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you end up liking this video and watching it all the way to the end. Let's go. Alright folks, so I actually purchased this wig for my mother for her birthday to do a photo shoot at JCPenney's. Now, I put her on and I liked it a lot, and I figured let me do a very short quick review on her. So I'm not even home in my house, I'm at my mama's house, and I was literally getting her ready to go and take these pictures. So this is what she looks like straight out the box. I cannot remember what color she was, but she's looking like a caramelish type of blonde, because that's the type of colors my mama likes. She comes with the 2 combs on the side, 1 on the back, adjustable straps, and she is a full cap wig. She has a little bangs and everything. Her curls are super duper cute, and yeah, I want to say she's big head friendly as well. I didn't get no shedding, no tangling, or no nothing. This is me right now putting this wig on my mother's head before we head out to go ahead and take these pictures. So again, this video is going to be short, sweet, to the point, and yeah. So I purchased this Wigpop Collection wig named Leanza. I purchased this wig named Leanza for my mom for her birthday party so she can go ahead and do a photo shoot. And baby, when I tell you, she ate down. She ate down. So I want to go ahead and review her. I have no makeup on. My hair is twisted. We're going to see if I can put her on. And yeah, let's just go ahead and do what it do. So I'm going to put her on and then I'll give you all her sneaky deaky details. Sounds good? Sounds good to me too. Alright, let's go. Now mind you, I'm going to do this. I got no filter on. Don't judge my hair. My hair is doing what it do best, which is maintaining in this daggone heat. I wonder if my mom has a whatchamacallit cap real quick. But we're just going to put this on just like this. I don't even care. Leave that down real quick. Hold on. What I'm trying to do is, because my mom's head is so small compared to mine, I had to tighten this up for her. So I want to loosen it now for myself. Let's see how she looks on me. If this don't look good, then we ain't gonna do it. You feel me? If it looks good, then we gonna do it. You feel me? Alright, let's try this one. Trying to get all this hair in here. Ooh, child, hold on. Okay. I'm gonna let you know right now, she's cute. She's super duper cute. She needs some pull and some work to her though. But, child, this is why I wish I was home, because I could have freaked her the way she needed to be freaked. Ooh, eyes. Oh my God, you ever had a synthetic fiber get into your eyeball? Not cool. Okay, so this is what she's giving. And don't get me wrong, she's cute. Okay? Walk with me, walk with me. She is very cute. She needs to get like trimmed or maybe framed to my face. If I can fluff her out some more, I think she would be adorable. She is really giving. I just don't got nothing going on with my face right now. She looks cute though. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Like, she is a cutie patootie. Like, I like her. Let's get into her details, shan't we? Okay, so I already told you this is Outre. She's a Wigpop synthetic full wig. She's from the Style Selecting Collection, and the color is DR2 Vanilla. Coco, and she is about 18 inches. She's heat resistant up to 400 degrees, and she comes in a bunch of different colors like dragon fruit, ginger brown, Dr. Honey Auburn, Dr. Red Velvet, chocolate swirl, vanilla cocoa. Cocoa. Anyway, her key features is she's easy to wear, elevate your look, special styles, more curls, more texture, more length. She's ready to wear and go. He's safe friendly, which I had already said. Also says when you want your look to be a little bit more special, switch it up with the Style Select. Switch it up with Style Select. These Wigpop units featuring premium styles that pop with more texture, more curls and length, and more dazzle to your dinner date look, brunch style, or work outfit with this lineup. It is where on-trend style meets easy to wear wigs. And it also tells you how to go about taking care of her. And then the back, it shows you the different colors. And yeah, I guess that is about it. Made in Bangladesh. Hey, you ever actually take the time to look at where your wigs is made at? Huh? First time. I thought everything was made in China. Learn something new every day. Anyway, folks. Listen, if you happen to like what you see in this video, I told you this was going to be a quick and easy 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 video, and we out of here. So if you happen to like what you see in this video and you want to see more, hurry up, Evie, get this out the way so we can go about our business type of thing. Then I'll do it. Okay? And if you want to see more baddies like this one, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so every time I upload a video, you will go ahead and get notified. Alright, folks. See you in my next video. Bye.